Alright, welcome back. In this tutorial, we're going to design the chart and call wireframes for our application. So we're not going to start from scratch. So we just navigate back to one of our sprint, and we'll just make use of this sprint that has messages and all that. So we'll make use of this for our charts. Okay, so the chart screen is going to be chart. Okay, so here we should have something like this for the user to be able to chat and all that. Okay, then we duplicate this to the next, and this one should be replaced with call. Okay, so in the call, so we're going to change this to call and also delete all this. Okay, then here you ungroup them and take this down and also ungroup them. That will bring the icon here and expand it using your scale tool, and you keep it in the middle of the frame. Select both of them and also align them to the center of the frame. Okay, so here is going to be called okay, so we have call icon for the user to seek for support and all that. So we're gonna have text here. I say call for support. Okay, then we'll have a button for them to be able to make call and all that. So you can add this into the frame and bring it somewhere around there. So keep it there. So this is call for call and chat. We are going to continue in the next lecture for the saved history. See you in the next lecture.